everyone, it's Claire from Scrappynerduk, and it's that time again where I have my next Quirky Kit to unbox. So I thought I'd pop the camera on and get to unboxing it with you. So let's open this first. I'm really sorry if you can hear my squeaky chair in the background. I do need to get a new one. My chair has certainly seen better days and it's very noisy. So let's get this open. Oh, I didn't quite cut that. I'll just take the paperwork out because Leo normally leaves a lovely note. Let's have a little look what I've got this time. Your design team boxes enclosed. I popped your main kit in to have a play with. Great seat back, making some bits and bobs on the group. Lots of love, Leo. Okay, let's open this up then. And I think last time in my box I didn't get one of these, so I wanted to show you this if you haven't seen the unboxings before. So let's have a little look at what we've got to play with for this month, and I'm expecting it to be quite spring themed, but we will see. So I've got a main kit this month, so we'll see what the contents are. Oh, here we go. Right, so oops, I've got some charms there too. So first of all, we have the little leaflet that comes with the kit, and this does a few things. So it depicts what the kit contents are on the front, and this could be made up of all the different kits that are available. Inside there are some handy dandy sketches too, which are really fun to work with. There's a QR code there to join the Facebook group, and there are weekly challenges as well, which is really fun to take part in. And then on the back there is a kit's content list. So there's a main kit, there's a light kit, there is an embellishment kit, and there's a custom card kit. So there's 4 different kits, and I think if you subscribe to more than one, you get a discount, and you get more discount the more kits you subscribe to. But it's just a handy way of keeping track on if you're looking to see, you know, what papers are or what embellishments are included. And yeah, so I'll pop that to one side, but I will refer back to that throughout the next couple of months for sketch ideas. So let's take a look at the kit as to what we've got this month. So I'm just going to move these bits and bobs out of the way. We'll have a look at the papers first of all, and then we'll take a look at the embellishments. I didn't buy, normally there's an extra shop every month. Oh, sorry, this is a bi-monthly kit, so there's an extra shop every other month. Didn't get anything this time. I completely missed the update on it. So yeah, I didn't nab anything this time from the extra shop, so this is just from the main kit. So we have some white cardstock. I love scrapping on white, so that works for me. So it looks like we have some papers from Photoplay, and I've not seen this collection. So this one is called This Happy Life, and this paper's called It Happened. So we have this cut apart sheet. Now I love these because these make extra embellishments, so I absolutely love a good cut apart sheet. And there's a whole load of different things on here. There's some 3x4 cards. I love this. Don't talk to me, I'm journaling. The Good Life, a great little title card. True story, one of my favorite sayings. Too much panic, not enough disco. So I love this. Guess check, overthinker. Absolutely love this. On the reverse is this tone on tone orange floral pattern. Not too sure what year this is from, whether this is a new collection or not. It's got no date on it, so I'm not sure. But yeah, this is called This Happy Life. So that's paper number 1. Then we have this one here from Simple Stories from the Little Things collection called Choose Joy. And this has got a text print in a book print in the background, along with the floral overlay. And then we have this pretty green background with these little daisies on, which is going to be perfect for spring scrapping. So we have this one. Then we have this, which is another one from Photoplay, This Happy Life, and this is called All My Life. I love this as a background. I love any sort of check pattern, stroke tartan pattern. And then all on the opposite side, goodness me, we have this I think it's almost like a white textured background, but it's a printed texture, not an actual texture. And it's got these little hearts on, which is, again, adorable. So I think I will use that side. Then we have another from Simple Stories, The Little Things, and these are the 4x6 cut apart. So this sheet is the 4x6 elements. So these are great for extra embellishments or backing photos. Or we have, so I might have to use this side, we have this side to use for background as well, or layers. Then we have another one from This Happy Life. This one's called Everyday. Love the patterns on this. Now, I think the pattern doesn't look very well printed, but I think that's the design of it. I think it's meant to have that distressed look, looking at the other ones as well. So I think that's meant to be the way it's designed, almost like an older collection would be. Oh, okay. And then this is the reverse pattern, and it's the same pattern that's used on this journal card. You can see there. I quite like where they use the same elements throughout different papers. And then, oh, this was another one from This Happy Life. This one's called This Year. This one is a yellow with a small little pink dot pattern. And oh my goodness me, on the reverse, so that's the B side. And then on the reverse, on the A side, we have this beautiful, beautiful floral, which definitely will be my pick, that one. And then the final one is another one from This Happy Life. And this one is called Sweet Hello. And these little florals in the little frames, that's super cute. On the reverse, we have the green tone on tone. Again, very floral heavy, which you'd expect for this time of the year for a spring kit. So beautiful pinks and yellows throughout this collection with that added green in. Definitely spring vibes for this for sure. So those are the papers. I'm going to put that one on top because that is probably my favourite one. Then into the embellishments. So this time we have two little butterfly charms. I'm going to get the little magazine out, and that will tell me what collection these are from. I'm not overly sure because sometimes the packets are cut down to split, so you actually get more different things. So this is from, let's see, cut apart sheet, photoplay. So these are from Prima. So these are from these are called My Sweet Butterfly Metal Charms. And so out of the pack is split into 3. So there's 2. And I've got the green and the pink one, which are super cute. Then in here, we also get the Simple Stories Colour Vibe Boho Flower Bits. So these are, oh, I think you can make them, oh, this one's come apart by the looks of things. I think you can make these into like a 3D flower. You can layer them up. So we have some, it says the boho, so we have got this kind of browny colour, but then we have got the pinks and the greens to mix in throughout that as well. So yeah, you can take the flowers, actually I'll probably do tone on tone, and then actually layer them up. And this is going to create some beautiful, and if you distress the edges, you can get some lovely texture on these. And then yeah, you can build in your little fronds too. I could literally be sat here ages just building these into little flower clusters. So these are going to create some lovely little flower clusters on layout. So those are fabulous. You get quite a lot in there as well. Yeah, you get 143 pieces. So that's going to go quite far in terms of using these on the layout. So you can see how well those colours blend with that paper in the background as well. So I'm really happy to have those and to get using those. Then we have the photoplay. Oh, this is from This Happy Life as well. So this is the sticker sheet, and again some really fabulous stickers on here. So feel the vibe. So I think a few of these will really work for titles as well. So that's going to be really handy. And worn down. That's how I feel sometimes. Definitely creative fuel. Look at that one. Love that sticker. There's quite a few sort of crafty elements on here with the journaling notebook, the pen pot. I just love the elements on this, and this is going to be super fun to use. And these are a nice quality sticker as well. These are quite thick, so these aren't the thin paper ones. So really excited to get using those as well. Then we have the cut apart, I can't remember what she calls this. This is the label, cut apart words and labels, and these are exclusively designed for Quirky Kits as well. So these are great little spots to add your journaling on, but then throughout there's also some other little cut aparts as well that you can use for added embellishments. I love this. Yay bank holiday. So we've got a bank holiday in the UK this weekend coming, so yeah, we've got that. And then the final thing is we have an alpha sticker sheet. So these are from Sticko. These are flat alphas. So this goes with, there is an element of blue in this collection, as you can see, this navy blue. There's not a huge amount in the papers. There's more of it in maybe some of this cut apart sheet at least. So perhaps I might pull something from my stash just to add a little bit more navy blue in, just to add in this colour a bit more. But I think you get 2 sheets in this, which is fabulous. I tend to use these smaller ones for subtitles rather than a main title. Yeah, you get 2 sheets, so you get absolutely tons, and you get an upper and a lowercase. So there's 518 pieces, so I don't know if that's per sheet, but that's quite a lot of alphas. So those should go, and they've got stickers, they've got numbers, and they've got punctuation on there as well, so that should really work. So I'm absolutely loving the spring vibes of this kit, especially these florals. So I have been adding flowers to my garden, so I'm really excited to get some flowers documented, get some photos documented of the new flowers that I've got in my garden. So I think I'll be using this kit for that for sure. So yeah, thanks for tuning in today for today's little unboxing video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave those in that comment section down below. If you're interested in the kit at all, I will leave a link to the Quirky Kit's website called Crafty Templates, and you can go over and take a look and see whether anything takes your fancy. And if you have enjoyed today's video, as always, I really appreciate any thumbs up you can give, and also hit that subscribe button if you're new, and I'll see you all again in my next video. See you all soon. Bye.